See that black mass? That is birds. Big bunch of birds, and Toby's walking over there, so they might fly away at any minute. I think they're migrating, and pretty amazing when they take off. It's a huge cloud. It looks like black dirt. And then they're flying across the river, flying across the levee, I mean, to get into the trees. You can probably hear them in the trees. A bunch of them are flying. Toby's already seen us, so it looks like he's not that interested in scaring them away. Yeah, and they're pretty amazing bunch of birds. I'm assuming they're migrating. I'd like to know what kind they are. They appear to be just a black bird, maybe a common blackbird, I don't know. And they're eating grain from the cornfield. I'd like to get Toby to, there they go, they're flying up a little bit. I'd like to get Toby to scare him up a little bit so he can see what they do. He's not cooperating on this walk, but he seems to be more all about himself and getting home. Getting back to the car. There they go. There they go. Oh, awesome. Awesome. They're crossing the levee here. Crossing the levee. Going up into the trees. Oh, yeah. It's very, very noisy. Pretty cool stuff. Let's see if there's another batch of Oh, there they go. Wow. Oh, now that is that is friggin' awesome. Oh my God. Whoa. Oh, speechless. Oh my God. Wow.